Eating healthy is one of the things you must take very seriously. And on that note, I decided to share this healthy recipe that you can include in your meal plan. It is super easy to make and requires few ingredients. All you need to do is to sit back and continue watching. Please make sure you watch till the end, okay? Alright guys, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, you get your pot. Place it on your burner and go in with your red oil. Once it is heated, go in with your diced onions. Enough onions, okay? Now give it a quick stir and allow to fry for a minute or when it is flavorful or translucent, okay? Now, this is after 1 minute. Go on and introduce your tomato pepper mixed, okay? You can choose to use only peppers. I choose to add little amount of tomato to it. Afterwards, you give it a nice stir and continue frying. The thing is, you need to get your ingredients ready, yes, before you start cooking. So I will advise you watch this video to the end, get down the ingredients before you start making it, okay? Now it is time to introduce some of our chopped liver. Please, if you are pregnant, avoid liver. Yes, you can substitute it to any other protein of your choice, okay? Now, go ahead and stir it. Next is your seasoning. I used 2 cubes of seasoning. Just make sure you season to taste, okay? Next thing is your salt. This is the time to add crayfish, ground crayfish, if you have. Alright, stir it and allow to fry for a minute or two. Checking back after frying for extra 1 minute. Go on and add your well-cooked, soft beans. Now, give it a thorough stir. Stir till well combine, okay? Combine the beans and your fried tomato, just like you're watching or seeing on the screen. Afterwards, you cover it and allow to cook, okay? Alright, please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes. So guys, if it sounds like something you're looking at for or interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of us, okay? Thank you. 2 minutes later, guys, we're checking back and look at how it's looking. It is coming up so well. Now, give it a nice stir. Guys, this is a very healthy meal you should not play with. Don't joke with this recipe. Yes, you got all the nutrients you need. Now introduce your leafy green. This is kale leaves, yes. You can use fruited pumpkin leaves, yes, as a substitute. Now, reasonable amount of it, yes, be generous with it, guys. Now stir it in to well combine. Let me be honest with you guys. This is my mother's recipe, yes. So I learned it from her. She'll make it whenever any of us fall sick. You know that recovery stage, yes. It helps one recover fast because it's going to boost your blood, energize you. In fact, funny enough, you do work then, yes. And ever since I've been making it, it mustn't be when you want to recover or something. It's a meal you can eat whenever you choose to, okay? I'm just seeing how it came about, how I got to know about it, learn how to make it. So yes, this is my mother's recipe I'm sharing with you guys. So after you add your leafy green, allow it to cook for just 1 minute, yes, and it's done. As you can see, guys, at this point it is ready. Super ready, yes. It is time to plate it, so you dish it out with me. Let me seize this opportunity to appreciate all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is super grateful. I am forever grateful, yes, to you all for your support. Please keep it up, okay? Thank you. Yes, so guys, this is it. And here we are going in with our fried liver, peppered liver. If you want to know or learn how I made this peppered liver, guys, feel free to check it out. I have the video already on my channel. Okay, just search for peppered liver, how to make peppered liver. Okay, guys, all set. Look at how it is looking. So delish. I know you are salivating where you are. I know. This is giving 10 over 10, 100 over 100 minus nothing, guys. What I bring to you is premium or nothing. Healthy meals, guys. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out for you. Also, help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Yes. All right, we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like, share, comment, follow, and of course, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.